All right, In-N-Out closes in 15 minutes. It's 7 minutes away. We might have to be that guy. But if it's not busy, then I don't want to be an asshole, so we'll probably do like McDonald's or something. But let's cross our fingers for In-N-Out. Caparino, man. Now it just makes you want to follow the law big time. Yeah, we can't go too crazy. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. I'm only worried about the burger. Get me to the burger. A Bentayga, brother, these are like $60,000 now. And I mean, the upkeep is gonna be astronomical. It's not gonna be worth it at all. But they do look pretty sick. Like a Bentley SUV for 60K, are we serious? But just know that, next time you see someone flex with one of those, it's like gonna be like, hey, like, I know how much that was, bro. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's high mileage, dude. He hit the brakes on that shit. Yeah, what's up with this light? What is that? It's ridiculous. He's racing me. Minutes. Yeah, it says my tire pressure is low, but it's at like 27, and I think it's supposed to be at 30 or 31. So I feel like that's not that bad. Words said before disaster, I think we'll be okay. It's a lot of road work, dude. I'm kind of scared that like there's a fat ass pothole or something. I kind of don't want to rip it. Nah, fuck it. Nah, wait, we gotta wait. Yeah, see, we gotta at least. Wowzers. Did we make it? Oh no, we might not have made it. Hang on, if this person goes in the line, I'm definitely going in the line. Oh bro, there's like 5 cars here. Nah, I'm good. All right, I just didn't want to be that guy. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness, are we being for real right now? Wait, what are you doing? Put on his hazards? Respect. What? He honked at me too? What's going on here? He doesn't want In-N-Out? Oh wow, he really doesn't. Yes. Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Double.
With onions?
Yes, can I get them grilled, please? And animal fries? Medium light pink lemonade? Let me get a large, actually.
That's me, 1526, first window.
Thank you. $15 for In-N-Out? Bro, what? I got a burger, fries, and a drink. Nah, that's not right. We need to investigate this. Double, $6.30. It's like, all right, animal fry, $4.90. It's like $5. Damn, large pink lemonade, $3 beverage? In-N-Out's kind of bugging on that one, dude. I can go to McDonald's and get it for $1. I was gonna say it's worth the gas money, but brother, gas is like, dude, I saw gas for almost $7 premium the other day. It was like $6.79. I said, yeah, let me find somewhere else. Also, look, there's one car behind me, so look, I'm not the biggest asshole here. I think we'll be okay. I did used to work fast food though at a couple places, so I know what that vibe is like when people show up last minute. It's my bad. It's my bad. I'm good, how are you? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. I kind of forgot I asked for it in a box. Fuck me. It's gonna be good for the thumbnail, though, I'll tell you what. Damn, we might even have to do it right here real quick. I'm really gonna be that guy. I'm fully that guy this video. That's unbelievable, man. I never thought it'd be like this. Oh, they just turned the lights off. That's so fried. All right. Drive back is gonna have to be a little bit more chill, but we'll be all right. Damn, the light pink lemonade tastes like some bullshit today. I swear it normally tastes better than that. Whenever I'm in LA, I make sure to get In-N-Out because it is some absolute dog water everywhere else. Any other state that has In-N-Out is just not good. I've heard Culver's is great. We gotta hit up a Culver's real soon for sure. Any Carl's Jr. fans? Does Carl's Jr. have fans? I don't know. Might be like a rare one. Oh Lord, here we go with the oh. Someone got towed. Is that a Nissan Altima? Oh, that's so classic. That is so classic. Wow. Good burger run right there. Hang on, let's get a quick fry in, man. Some of the worst fries in the whole game. You literally have to get them animal style. But hey, that's whatever. Oh yeah, these fries are super mid today. Damn, the lemonade's mid. This is, oh God, please. That's what I get for coming in the last 10 minutes. Literally my fault. But you know what? Time. Damn, is that a plane? 1 a.m. plane ride? It's got a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your favorite burger, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, have a good one. Drive safe. Drive safe out there, man. It's fucking dangerous. And also be nice to fast food workers. That's important. All right, peace.